Yeah, so just pulled off real quick just to, you know, give y'all a good look of the GoPro, how I operate, how I work, you know, show y'all the good scenery. What's up, tractor trailer boy? Speaking of tractor trailer, I'll be back in my truck real soon. That's where the content really gonna come in at. That's where we really gonna get down and dirty, where y'all really see what's going on over them roads. Cause y'all need to see what I see, man, while I'm over there, man. Y'all need to see the view, man. You heard me? The phone, I really can't do it with the phone because it's so hard to actually get a good clip. You know what I mean? But right now I'm, you know, in Philly riding around. Woke up early to go to the gym. Just peeled off real fast. I was getting ready to mess up. I'm fasting, so I don't eat nothing till 12 o'clock. I pulled off because I was at this fruit stand about to get a shake. Then I remembered, damn, man, you're not supposed to eat at 12 o'clock. So I'm gonna just go ahead and burn time at the gym. I gotta go down to Allstate and a couple CDL schools to talk to the people in there to see if I can find a you know, a legit driver to come on board with me. Shout out to everybody that that reached out, you know, that was a good situation. Thanks for the feedback. But you know, a lot of people don't want to be out probably 30 days or you know, it gotta fit their, it gotta be within their schedule, you know, and that's cool too. So you know, ain't no bad blood. That's business, you know. Couple phone calls, we talked, we sat down for the people that wanted to jump on board, and you know, I just didn't fit in their schedule because what I'm doing, it do, you know, take time out your day. You definitely be away from home for a little minute, and a lot of people not, you know, willing to do that. Some people just want to go out for a couple days. Some people don't want to go out at all. They want to come home every day. You get what I'm saying? And that's cool too, you know. Whatever fit in your schedule. Because I don't want you to be out there all mad and pissed off, because we got to get along. And we also, you know, got to drive this truck safe as possible and relaxed as possible. So I don't need nobody to be all tense while we out there. That's dangerous, you know. So shout out to people that reached out. But you know, I ain't stopping there. Getting ready to go down to the CDL school and talk to them. But I just pulled up to the gym. About to park up real fast. As you can see, the gym right there. Pulled up to the gym, about to park up. Go ahead and do my thing. Can't wait till 12 o'clock though. I am a little hungry, you heard me? About to do my thing real fast. You ready? Yeah. My parking game official, through the grace of God. Let me pull up to get them some space so they won't clip me from behind as they pulling out. You know how that get. But yeah, man, hopefully y'all like the GoPro. Hopefully y'all like the scenery. I want to give y'all crystal clear videos. I take pride in my content. You know, every day I'm gonna get better and better. I might make a couple mistakes, but I'm gonna learn from them, and I'm gonna just keep growing, man. You know, peace. I'm out of here. Enjoy y'all day.